Nebo 2.6 has been out for a week now. Let's see what they've added to the application. You can now customize your line spacing in Nebo. You can adjust your font size from 12 to 24 pixels, I'm assuming. And you can adjust your line spacing for your handwriting. So if you prefer narrow line spacing, you can have that in Nebo. Nebo gives you a small window to try out your new settings before exiting them. It is very thoughtful and it just makes your user experience in the application a lot better. In this window, you can make all your adjustments and leave when you are satisfied with your new settings. Multi-level lists have been challenging to create in Nebo until now. They added an indentation tool both for your handwriting and text, and in Nebo it makes no difference. The application treats text and handwriting the same. You can also indent your paragraphs even. Nebo continues to add new features without adding more icons to the application. Minimalism and simplicity are the new thing for apps now, and the Nebo developers know that. Simply pick a paragraph and put it between two sections. Sometimes when writing, you have that afterthought that maybe you should switch paragraphs. Usually this involves copy and paste, quite unpleasant. You can move your paragraphs around with minimal effort. Just pick it up and drag it where you want it. Simple and straightforward. Creating a new paragraph with their previous gesture worked, but they've improved it. Long press a line with 2 fingers and add space between paragraphs. Ever since Apple Notes and OneNote introduced this feature, most of us want it in every application now. With good reason. Digital note-taking is all about convenience and flexibility. Creating new space between note sections is as flexible as it gets. They have also improved their handwriting conversion, but there's no way to quantify that in a few days. We are in touch with the Nebo developers and they continue to assure us that they're going through our wish list to improve their application every day. Make sure you also check out the full review I did on Nebo to find out everything you can do in this application. Which update excited you the most? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.